So hey guys, welcome to the new video. Today in this video we are going to see that how can you install Codex using your CMD, which is a app from you can say OpenAI. So you need to have Node installed on your computer. So let's move in our command prompt and run it as administrator. Okay, now what you have to do is you have to check for your Node version and npm version. Node space hyphen v. Okay, so Node is present in our computer. Now we have to check for npm. So it is okay. Now what we have to do is we can install it via npm. So we will type npm install -g, that is for globally installation, at OpenAI /codex. Now this will start installing your codex. Now you can see that our installation is successfully completed. Now what you have to do is you have to run for when you need to run codex, you firstly need to actually log in it. So just type this command. Actually, there must not be this code. I will restart my command from now to make things faster. Codex login. Now this will redirect you to your browser. Now in here you have to log in from your ChatGPT account. Since my ChatGPT account is logged in with my Google ID, so I will be continuing with Google. So after that step, you will see something like this. That is, you are signed into Codex. Now just close this. Okay, you can see that you are successfully logged in. Now what you have to do is you have to open your directory where your project is stored. So now this is my folder where I will be using Codex. Now what you have to do is you can just type Codex here. Just go with first option, that is continue. Okay, now you can see something is here. The model that Codex is using is GPT 5.4, and you can just go here in models to change the model. And this is my current directory where I am using Codex right now. Okay, so I want ChatGPT to this folder structure. Okay, let's ask ChatGPT about this. Now you can see that this is working on this particular folder. You can see that this is already created a basic skeleton of our folder. So yeah, now you can see this. This has provided me the folder structure. That is, in this particular folder, I have a app.py file, that is my main file, and templates and static folder. That means our ChatGPT in Codex is working absolutely fine. So that's all for this video, guys. Now let's see you next time.